Yeah, welcome back to the channel. For once here I'm sitting on the floor because I have to try to patch some hole in the wheel arch, the back of this Toyota Corolla. So I have starting to make parts to weld in. I want to make one there, make it a little bigger and get it in the car. But it's no point for me trying to show you guys how to make a good weld because my tools here are old and not very good. So I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing. Making a patch that is as precise as possible, because on the hold part of this, the whole of it, it's this plastic inner part. So I'm not trying to make it perfect and just make it strong. So that's the only aim. So now, then I have been able to put this together a little. I was having problem with my welding, so there's a lot of things I have to smooth out, and up here I have to smooth out on. So this is kind of a heavy materials, but at least this is strong, even if it looks very bad. I'm sorry, my welding is not perfect. But it's not going to be showing because of the plastic fender coming in here. Put on overall oil all over, and then body shoots on the top. So then we're going to protect it so it can be used for some years more. Perfect solution. Maybe I've been to change all this. Maybe one, no, it's on split here, so it's more than one part. Yeah, I was thinking when I was going out that I'm going to finish for this evening, but I saw I had time, and it's maybe better to just put on the overall oil right away. Penetrating overall oil that's going into all the small openings. See here, just put on a lot of oil everywhere, mess it up. Now just go and take on the other side, put in the overall oil on that side too, and then I'm finishing for tonight. Just let it stand here drying. So maybe tomorrow night I have time to go out and polish away some of this welding and fix it a little nicer, and then I can put on maybe more overall oil or underbody rubbery stuff on the top, because that is going to go on the top on this and protect it. Thank you for coming by and watching this video. I hope to come back with some longer, better videos soon. So please come back. Please write some comments about what you would like to see, because it's important for me to get some feedback and understand what other people would like to see. So thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and like if you like the video. and put a comment. Thank you.